Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Tips YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can fix if your dock moves to the right monitor. So I have been using two monitors. Let me show you my display. You can see that I have two displays, 1 and 2. But the thing happens, the dock moves to the right monitor without any reason. So I need to revert it back to the left monitor again and again. So how to fix that? Actually, I tried to figure out the permanent solution, but I couldn't. So how to fix this? Just simply search for dock, desktop, and dock, and command spacebar and write dock here, and select desktop and dock, and then simply position on the screen the dock. Here is the bottom. So normally it will moves to the right automatically, but it will show here it's in the bottom. That means maybe it's a bug of Mac system. So how to do? You can just select the right one, and then if it moves to the right, then again select bottom, then it will be restored to the left monitor again. That is how you can fix the dock issues. So I tried to fix it permanently, but I couldn't. Maybe you need to do that again and again like me. So if you have been using two monitors, just go to desktop and dock and change position on screen, select right, and then select bottom again, then it will move to the bottom. That is how you can fix the issue of moving the dock from left monitor to the right monitor. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, thumbs up this video if it helps. I will see you in another video. Thank you. Bye.